How to view recently watched reels on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To view the recently watched reels on your Facebook, head over and launch a Facebook app in your device. Now over here, first and foremost, you will have to log in into your account. If you have not yet, go ahead and do so. Once you have successfully logged in into your Facebook account, at the top go ahead and click on the video section or the Reels section. Right over here at the very top you will see the option of profile icon at the top. You need to go ahead and click on this particular icon. In here you will see some of the options as saved videos, history and cellular data use. To check out your recently watched reel on Facebook, click on the history option. So right here in this section, you will see every other video or reel that you have viewed so far. So this is how you can view your recently watched reel on Facebook. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.